Hi friends, I am Ashwin. This is my first video on Logic Max, and I will help you to learn how to calculate easily and fastly. This will be helpful for you in daily life and in many competitive exams. In times, these tricks and techniques will be a lifesaver in many exams that reduces the number of steps for doing the calculation. So let us start with a simple topic that how to multiply two-digit numbers from 11 to 19. Do you see the first row of numbers, that is 1 into 2, 3 into 6, 5 into 9, 8 into 10. This is pretty easy, isn't it? I bet that all of you can give the answer within seconds. We have studied also. The second set, 13 into 16, 17 into 18, 15 into 17. We have also studied this how to multiply, but how fast can you give this answer to me? Can you give this answer within seconds? If not, don't worry, I will help you to get this answer within seconds by a simple trick. So here is the trick. Before going to this method, I should deal with a small important concept that regard number of digit. That is, if you multiply a 2-digit into a 2-digit, then the product you will get have 3-digit. Or the general formula is that if you multiply n digit into m digit, the product you get will have m plus n minus 1 digit. Do you get it? For example, if you take a 5-digit into a 4-digit, then 5 plus 4 is 9, and minus 1, that is 8-digit. So if you multiply 5-digit into a 4-digit, the product will have 8-digit. If you any doubt, please try it on a calculator. So now look us to the technique. For example, I take 13 and 12 and we get 3-digit. So 13 is 10 plus 3 and 12 is 10 plus 2. We all know, isn't it? And here we take 10. You see the common 10 as base and 3 and 2. You see 3 and 2. This is our magic number. I call it magic number because we get the whole answer just by adding and multiplying this number. And for numbers from 11 to 19, the base is 10. Okay, remember that. So here also, by adding this 3 and 2 to the base 10, we get the first and second digit number. By adding 3 and 2 to the base 10, we get the first and second digits. 10 plus 3 plus 2 gives 15. This 1 is the first digit and 5 is second digit. We got the first and second digit by just as a matter of concept or logic, and now we are looking for the third digit, isn't it? And what's the third digit is? Yeah, I have written is there 3 into 2. Third digit is obtained by simply multiplying 3 into 2, and you get the answer 156. This is just a matter of logic. You could get the answer so easily and so fastly. And now move on to another example, that is 11 into 16. And here also I follow the earlier method, and here also 3 digit will be there product, and you see 11 is 10 plus 1 and 16 is 10 plus 6, and here 1 and 6 are main numbers. So by adding this 6 plus 1 to the 10, we get 1 and 7, the first and second digit numbers, as done in earlier cases. So 1 and 7 is the first and second digit number, and the last digit number you see 6. By multiplying this 6 into 1, we obtain the last digit number, and the final answer will be 176. This is also very easy. You could give me the answer within seconds if you got the logic and the idea in your mind. So by try to get this idea and apply it in your daily life. That is, the first is obtained by adding this number to the base, and last digit obtained by multiplicating that number. I hope you got the answer. And now take another example. This is somewhat tricky, okay, so pay attention. Here I take the example 14 into 13. Also 2 digit and 2 digit, you get 3 digit, and here 14 is 10 plus 4 and 13 is 10 plus 3, and here 4 and 3 is our number. So adding this 4 plus 3 to the 10 to the base 10, we get 1 and 7. Yeah, this is the first and second digit, not exactly the second digit. I will make it clear to you. You see the last digit obtained by just simply multiplying 4 into 3, and we get 12. You see this 12 is a 2-digit number. How could we write this 2-digit number in the place of 1 digit? So we have to do is that just add that red marked 1, isn't it, to the previous number, that is 7. That is adding this 1 to the 17. You get 118. 17 plus 1 is 18, and the 2, you see that number 2, the right side 2,
Yes, you see the right side too. Yeah, that number will be stay aside, and the left side number will be carried over to the previous number. Here in this case, the previous number is 1, so it is carried over to the 17. So we get 17 plus 1 18 and 180 to the final answer. Now move on to the another example. That is same type, that is 18 into 19. Here also we will have 3 digit, and you see the base is 10 and 18. You see 8 and 9 is our number. So by adding this 10 plus 8 plus 9, you get the first and second digit, that is 27. It's imaginary, okay, not the exact number, it's just imaginary. The last digit of number is obtained by multiplicating into 9, you get 72. But here also it is 2 digit number. So what we had in earlier cases is that we remained kept aside the right side number, and left side number is carried over to the previous number. Here 27 plus 7 is added, that is 34, and 2 is remained there. So the final answer is 342. We got the answer. This is just if you understand the concept, you will give me the answer within seconds, and even surpass anyone. So now let us try some more example. Okay, for example, do it by your own, and I will give you 1 minute. Try it.
So guys, time up. Now let us look the answer. And if you got the answers correctly in one go, then there is a little max genius inside you. So make it grow, and those who don't get, don't worry. Practice makes a man perfect. So keep on practicing more and more examples by your own, and I will be keep uploading new videos on Max Tricks. So please subscribe to my channel, and if you found this videos helpful, please like the video and support me. And by the time, bye, and please stay tuned.